Alright, so we're headed to Disneyland. It's like 8 o'clock p.m. It is pouring rain. But look at these wait times.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. I am Adam.
I'm Jaz.
And I have my voice back.
Okay.
Yeah, but most
and
of
he's
all...
out here in the rain.
Yeah. Most of all, we're just really cold. But today has been really rainy and wet and cold and all that stuff.
It's really late right now. It's like 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
And, well, I had work till 6:30 and then I came over here. It's raining, but it's not like terrible. Today could either be like the best pinboard day or probably like
one of the worst. But
I don't know.
Like this rain has like everybody in shambles that like the park decided they're gonna close an hour early.
Yeah, they closed.
So
if you open the app, it shows a pop-up that they're closing at 11 instead of 12. I don't know if they've ever done that, but
there's supposed to be the return of the Magic Happens parade, but it didn't happen because it was canceled. Both 3:30 and 6:30 p.m. showings canceled because of this rain. So hopefully we're able to get some good stuff on the boards. We're definitely gonna do some rides. Gonna get some pins and then just do all this stuff. Yeah. Very excited, guys. I'm really happy to be here.
Brandon, I told him because the other ones were sad, so we needed to spice it up. Where is it?
So yeah, guys, Main Street's pretty empty right now. A lot of people are heading out, so it's gonna get even more empty. I don't think they're gonna do any like projections or like
I think everything.
Everything, huh? Yeah.
Even Fantasmic. I think both parade shows, like neither of them happened, right?
No. Pretty cool.
No, it's
yeah, this is absolutely crazy. I've never seen it this empty before. Nice.
We're gonna wait. There. Okay. Hey, welcome. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
We go down to Disneyland, Florida a lot, so we check off
You mind if I put it?
Oh, yeah, go ahead.
Thank you.
I saw her in.
Kind of interesting. All right, here's some of the pins that we found on the board so far. Not a bad night, or start of the night, I guess.
This one's pretty cool. It was a, what was it, D23?
It's like D23, but it's like one of those packs you can buy on Shop Disney, but I guess you have to be like a
cool.
D23 member or whatever, so that's pretty cool. And Tweedledee,
I don't know,
one of them. And the red from Pirates.
Yeah.
Nice. When we were walking here, it said 20 minutes. Now it says 10 minutes. Love to see it. I've never been on row 1, so we'll see how this goes. I don't think it'll be as fast, but we'll see. So yeah, just as my theory confirmed, slow.
It was still fun. It was still fun.
Okay. Alright, nice big grabs over here. Nice.
Because she was gonna trade. I was like, oh, you gave me Hercules. I love him. Look at my name tag. And she goes, here, this is for you.
Got some beignets from Royal Street Veranda. Gotta shake them up.
It's gonna get all over you, watch out.
Take a look.
More.
More? I'm just scared of, I don't want the bag to like, it's like kind of wet. Better.
Yeah,
Better.
it's better.
Wait, I'm gonna take a picture. Hold on. Now they're properly shaken up.
It's been a while since you had one. You remember it as good as last time?
Yeah.
All right, Haunted Mansion is a walk on right now. Jazz taking a picture. It looks pretty spooky, especially with the wind blowing. Crazy.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy.
All right, so we're walking over here to our next destination.
My freaking hat flew off. And it was like rolling. And
It's pretty windy right now.
It was it's super windy. And I'm like, my hat. And you're just staring at it roll on the ground.
She ran to go get it.
This one gets 2 feet to spray. Oh, this one gets 2 feet to spray.
Shout out to Bernice and Jeff. We got a donation to buy me a coffee, and we're gonna end up buying this Star Wars Hoth pack, limited release. Hopefully we get something good. Let me see if I can zoom in for you guys. Small pictures.
I don't know any of
Yeah, hopefully we get something good. So, anyways, thank you guys again so
Thank you
much.
so
We really
much.
appreciate it.
Here you go, so you can open it up.
God.
How can I be on this side? Can I be on this side actually?
General Veers. Okay, probably
We
trade
don't
that
want
one.
that one.
Probably.
But let's see. Which one?
You want to go for the aerial?
Oh, which one?
Oh, this one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll trade this for the aerial.
Okay, perfect.
All right, so this is exactly why we recommend buying packs here at Tomorrowland, because
You could end up with 2 completely different pins from 2 different sets with only buying one.
yeah, because I definitely didn't want the other one.
I don't even know.
And between the set, anyways, I was gonna grab Han Solo because it was in there, but I'm glad I didn't have to do that, and then I got this one. So that'll be a great trader. Thank you guys again. There's dead ass nobody here right now. It's like really nice. It's very calming.
Is it still raining? I can't tell.
Yes.
Is it-
Yeah, not as hard, but it's still raining.
No, I'm good. You can do it. Do you have any discounts? So you told me 32, 38. So do you want a small bag, please?
Get on these?
Yeah.
All right, these are the pins we found on the boards, and the ones we bought right here. The ones on the boards were not too bad actually.
Not bad. We're only here for a few hours.
Yeah, so it could have been worse. But I don't know about the hidden Mickey ears, but that's the only one that's like kind of questionable to me. But that's pretty much it.
Not bad.
All right, guys. So that's it. That's another trip in the books. Had a pretty good time today, honestly.
We
Despite
never get to do that many rides, so that was nice.
yeah, despite only being here for a couple hours, we actually knocked out a lot of things. We got a snack. The beignets are really good. We haven't had those in a while.
Yeah, we did, what, 3 rides? Yeah.
Something like that, yeah. Star Tours was great. If you can, get the seat on the back, like the very first. It's row number 1,
Back
but like
left.
the back left.
He
So
was
like,
like, "This
I was
seat
up on the
ridiculous."
wall, and I was just like rocking against the
So,
wall.
like, one we got was, like, really, really...
Yeah, my legs were dangling. It was kind of crazy. Anyways, yeah, so we had a fun time pin trading as well. You should have seen us, guys, because there was like a couple of people that were like snatching up the good pins right in front of us, and we'd be like, ah.
It
But
happens. I wish I like didn't look at the pin board because then I saw they had a Star Wars like mystery box and an Ariel mystery box. So don't look.
yeah. But anyways, yeah, guys. If you like that video, go ahead and please do leave a like, comment. If you're brand new here, please do consider subscribing if you're not already, and follow us on Instagram at AdamChrisPins. Hit us up there. Hit us up on our Discord. And anything else to say?
Ew.
All right.
It's been a long day. Okay.
All right, guys. See you.